Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we're going to look at another use for some materials. So we did a video where we used beautiful yellow flag iris and a large onion, and that was in quite a kind of 1970s lava container, and we just wondered what else could we do with it? Because there's umpteen ways to make arrangements, and it just depends on what you want to produce. So using the same materials, we're going to have a little look at what we can do with them. Now, I was helping someone cut their grass, and they had a big fruit tree that had a dead branch in it, and that was this branch here. So what we've done is I cut it out just to help them, and I was going to put it on the rubbish, and then I realised it's actually a really nice shape. So I really like this bit, and I think there's a potential that we could maybe use this for an arrangement at a future date. But what we're going to use is we're going to use this bit today, and I took off another couple of pieces here that were a bit like this and brought it down to a reasonable size. And what we've actually got is we've got a branch that we could use in different ways, and I just think this is so interesting. I love the lichen and the earthy colours, so what I've done is I've chosen a low saucer that ties in with that. And what you want to do is you just really want to set it in different ways and see what it does. And I found that it actually sits really well this way. So now we've got options. We've got a beautiful line going through it, and then these kind of secondary lines coming up. And I actually like the dead leaves just as a detail. So what we can do is we could have it coming from the vase, or we could have the vase slightly separate to it. The choice is yours. But I think having the shallow dish is quite good because it really makes this the star of the show. So flat dish, and we're going to use a Kensen or a pin holder for this. And we just need to add some water to our dish. Now the problem with a dish like this is you're better making it in situ, because if you try and move this, it's going to become a little bit difficult. So we've got our beautiful lines going that way, and we want to see, do we need this? Do we want this? I know not everyone would be excited about an onion, but I just think these ones are so interesting. The shapes that they have is just amazing. And then we've got our iris. Now this one is really the star of the show. And I'm going to pop them in. So you're putting them straight on the pins and then move it into the position you want. So that one forward. I want to bring a little bit of colour into the centre. I really want to just actually maybe have a little bit of colour through the back. So this could be an arrangement that you could see from all round. I'm kind of making it with you in mind in that direction. But actually an all-round arrangement is really interesting. This is just a little bit of the foliage from the iris. And then this was a little cut down bud that we had. So we've got quite bold materials. We've got bold container, bold branch, bold foliage and flowers. And really just to finish then, I just want to add a few rocks just to hide our pin holder. Great thing about a pin holder, they're really a good investment. Once you've got it for years, you can reuse it. It's very environmental. They are sharp, but once you get used to using it, it's a great thing to have. So just keep an eye out for them, or try and order online. And there we go. We've got a simple arrangement that's reworking materials that we've already used and giving a totally different look. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, click here to subscribe. catch us on YouTube or catch us on Facebook, but try and keep up with all our latest videos, and we look forward to seeing you soon.